We used to have a recording studio.
Uh-huh.
It is situated in the old Avon company in Libis.
Mm-hmm.
Noong February 22,
Mm-hmm.
nagkaroon na ng problema sa Campo-Aguinaldo.
Mm-hmm.
My house is in White Plains,
Mhm.
near Campo-Aguinaldo. Nagitna kami
Mm-hmm.
between the rebel forces
Mm-hmm.
and the people and the forces of General Padjas.
Mm-hmm.
Nagitna kami doon.
Mm-hmm.
I was afraid for the Filipino people.
Mm-hmm.
Delikado ang may mangyari. So what we needed then
Mm-hmm.
was to be united.
Mm-hmm.
United for justice, united for the future of the country.
Mm-hmm.
So during those days,
Mm-hmm.
in February 22 to February 25,
Mm-hmm.
I hung out in my studio
Mm-hmm.
and I started writing nonos.
Mm-hmm.
Ang first love ko naman talaga music.
Music.
So I called my arranger, Homer Flores, to join me. I called Ellie De La Peña, who was one of my producers when I was vice president for Vicor.
Mm-hmm.
I wrote down some notes
Mm-hmm.
about pagkakaisa, about how we are being one,
Mm-hmm.
one blood.
Mm-hmm.
Ganun eh. So I came up with a melody that I think was, kaya nung nabuo ko yun, nabuo namin yung magkaisa. If you notice, nung binigay ko yan kay Father Bob, si Bob Garo, no? Tapos binigyan ko ng kopya si Kong Pipin, tapos pinadala ko ng kopya si President Cor during those days after February 25. Hindi ko sinasabi kung sino gumawa, hindi ko sinasabi kung sino kumanta. Because ayoko mapagbintangan na promo. Kaya hindi ako gumamit ng singer. I could have asked my wife or Sharon Cuneta or Frank Fernandez, who were all under my wing, to sing it. But I did not.
So
I chose an unknown para wag mapagbintangan na promo because what I wanted was the essence of the song. That was what I wanted to promote. Basically kami tatlo and Vic, my brother Vic. Kasi Vic was instrumental in the vocal arrangement, especially the backup. If you will listen to the original recording and listen to the male voice in the backup vocal, that's Vic. When I was thinking of a singer with a powerful voice to sing, naalala ko siya because I saw her sing in a college fair. Kalokohan niya, mga naninira lang yan. Kalokohan niya.
Pero how...
Alam ko nga kanino galing yun.
Okay. So,
Sino nagsasabi nun, alam ko eh. It's a classical one. It's relevant from then to now.
okay.
And it should always be the thought of the Filipinos. Dapat ganun lagi.
Pero yun nga,
Kasi, ano tayo eh, may kahirapan tayo dahil because ang namumuhay tayo sa 7,107 islands. So talagang hindi integrated. Kaya talagang dapat, yun ang dapat na nasa isip natin lagi. Kailangan magkaisa tayo.